My name is Angela Williams Nash. I am the technology lead teacher at John L. Coxley Middle School in East Orange, New Jersey. Welcome to this overview of the New Jersey Student Learning Standards, Computer Science and Design Thinking, 8.1.8, Data and Analysis. The volume of digital data is rapidly growing. Data is information that is stored and processed digitally on a computer. Data on a computer includes things like text, images, audio, and sound. People manage the inflow and outflow of computerized data with digital devices and software tools that automate the data's collection, use, and transformation. We rely on computing systems to process data effectively so that we analyze it in order to better understand the world around us and make more accurate predictions. The following 6 target areas of the computer science core concept, 8.1.8, Data and Analysis, is to develop the following proficiencies before students move on to high school. 1. The ability to use computational tools to collect, organize, and transform collected data so that it is error-free and usable for its specified purpose. 2. Explain the difference between how the computer stores data as bits and how the data is displayed. 3. Identify and describe how different tools access data based on its file format. 4. Develop processes to transform data using a spreadsheet. 5. Test, analyze, and refine computational models. 6. Perform research on a relevant topic related to climate change at the local, state, national, or global level, which requires students to A. Collect, organize, and display data. B. Construct computational models. C. Analyze climate change computational models and propose refinements. And D. Interpret and communicate insights gained through research. The requirements of 8.1.8, Data and Analysis, are a bit more challenging because it is not purely computer science. The project topic of climate change could fit into a myriad of other subjects. Here are some recommendations on how to prepare to teach this core concept. 1. Download the NJSLS standard and read just the core concept. Save the rest for another day. 2. Use the QR code shown to locate and bookmark the Montclair State University K-12 Computer Science Education Program's website. Instructional resources are just a few clicks away. 3. Display a technology word wall that illustrates key concepts and vocabulary. Montclair State University maintains word walls organized by grade band and core concept. Use the QR code shown to access this free resource. 4. Create and post displays of the scientific method and parts of a research paper. 5. Create and share a list of helpful websites on your learning management system. 6. Learn how to use a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. 7. In addition to basic spreadsheet functions like sum, difference, and average, learn other statistical functions that align to your data set. 8. Research age-appropriate climate change projects. If one is not available, consider modifying an existing one for your students, or create one. 3 possible areas of research are human waste, e-waste, and weather patterns. 9. Consider collaborating with colleagues to make this a cross-curriculum project wherein different parts are completed across several classes. By the time students reach their middle school years, they should have at least 4 years of experience with large, multi-phase projects. In middle school, we want to elevate the work product so that it is more student-driven and contains depth in both scientific content and the presentation of results. Here are some suggestions for scaffolding the material for 6th and 7th graders. 1. Review key vocabulary terms and concepts. 2. Provide project instructions or guide sheets with examples. 3. In addition to a review of basic statistical equations like sum, average, difference, median, and mode, introduce advanced functions like count, COUNTIF, minimum, maximum, forecasting, and skew. Add other functions that align with your data set. 4. Strengthen students' independence using spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, ensuring they know how to properly label column and row headings, as well as select charts and graphs that accurately and effectively represent their data. 5. Complete a short class project to assess skill level and address deficiencies. 6. Provide suggestions and resources for the climate change project that are rigorous but not overwhelming. 7. Closely monitor student progress with frequent check-ins. 8. Provide detailed feedback. 9. Allow students to present their findings to their peers. In 8th grade, we want to continue to foster independence, deepen scientific inquiry, and provide opportunities to communicate results to a larger audience. In addition to the recommendations generated for grades 6 and 7, here are some additional recommendations for scaffolding the material for 8th grade. 1. Focused on climate change projects that move beyond the school building. Incorporate issues that affect the community, state, country, or world. 2. Consider walking tours, field trips, and interviewing community members as part of the project. 3. Provide access to subject matter experts if possible. 4. Provide guide sheets, a timeline with milestone dates, and a checklist to ensure progress. 5. Consider developing your climate change project as a cross-curriculum project. 6. Require written reports to propose cause and effect relationships and predict outcomes or communicate ideas using data. 7. Present findings to a larger audience, which could be a lower grade level, or at a school assembly, or at an affair where parents are present. And 8. If your project impacts the community, try presenting your findings to the Board of Education, Town Council, or Mayor. This concludes our review of the core concept CS 8.1.8 Data and Analysis. I hope you are excited to begin this journey with so many other teachers throughout the state of New Jersey. Most importantly, breathe. Do not stress yourself out. You will get better with planning, practice, and time.